Stop. Look around the range next time you are there. What do you see? A sea of matte black plastic, rails on rails, and guys who think gear makes them a shooter. It is honestly pathetic. We have lost the soul of the craft. But here's the wake-up call from SHOT Show 2026. The industry finally realized that we are tired of the tactical noise. We want precision. We want style. We want the platform that built this country. I'm talking about the side-by-side. But listen closely. These are not your grandfather's wall hangers that rattle when you shake them. We are looking at aerospace aluminum, 5-axis CNC machining, and ballistics that hit like a freight train. 2 barrels, 2 triggers, 0 apologies. If you're ready to stop playing soldier and start hunting like a predator, you're in the right place. These are the 7 tools rewriting the rule book. We have a name that usually screams high-velocity rifles, but this time they are slowing it down. This is the Weatherby Orion side-by-side. Now, before you scroll past because you see Made in Turkey, listen to me. Weatherby did not just slap their logo on a generic import. They partnered with Yildiz to build this specifically for the American hunter who actually walks the field. Under the hood, the most critical feature here is the long tang design. Most budget guns cut the metal short at the trigger guard to save money, but Weatherby extends that steel tail all the way down the wrist of the walnut stock. This acts like a steel spine, reinforcing the weakest part of the wood so you do not snap your stock when you trip over a log. It creates a seamless line that feels incredibly smooth in the hand. It features double mechanical triggers. This is not a defect, it is a tactical advantage. With a single trigger, you have to fumble with a tiny switch to choose your choke. With 2 triggers, your brain instantly selects the open choke for a close flush or the tight choke for a long shot. It is faster than any switch on the market. Weighing in at just over 6 pounds for the 20-gauge model, it carries like a dream. But here's the deal breaker. Physics is still physics. Because this gun is so light, if you feed it high brass pheasant loads, it's going to kick like an angry mule. Also, it uses a traditional swamp rib, which sits low between the barrels. If you are used to a modern raised rib, you might struggle to find your sight picture at first. The damage to your wallet is roughly $1,100.
We have the working man's hero, the Tristar Bristol side-by-side. Tristar is betting big on the return of the gentleman's gauge. That is right, we are talking about the 16 gauge. For years, the industry ignored this caliber because of the 3-inch Magnum craze. But here is the mechanic's insight you need to know. The 16 gauge offers the terminal performance of a 12 with the carry weight of a 20. It hits with the authority of a heavy hitter, but carries like a feather. Under the hood, they lined the barrels and chambers with hard chrome. This is critical. Old-school doubles will bulge or scratch if you run steel shot through them for waterfowl, but the Bristol eats steel for breakfast. You have 2 choices for the furniture. You can go with the case-hardened receiver and a straight English stock for that classic Upland vibe, or you can grab the silver model with a pistol grip if you need more control. But let's be real about the deal breaker. This is a mass-produced gun. Out of the box, the action is stiff. You're going to need to muscle it open until it breaks in. And honestly, the laser engraving looks a bit flat compared to the high-end Italian rigs. But for a street price of around $1,130, it's a solid entry into the world of doubles without mortgaging your house.
We have the king of the round bodies, the Beretta 486 Parallelo. While everyone else is trying to copy the English, Beretta decided to rewrite the physics of the barrel. The mechanic insight here is the tri-block technology. Listen closely.
On almost every other shotgun, you can see a welding line where the barrels join the chamber block. It is ugly and it is a weak point. But Beretta uses a laser welding process that makes that line vanish. The barrels and the chamber become one seamless, continuous piece of steel. It looks like it was forged by magic. This creates a profile so clean, your eye slides down the barrel to the target without a single distraction. It features a switchable ejector system. There's a tiny switch inside the forend. You can set it to automatic to launch shells over your shoulder, or manual to pluck them out quietly if you're an environmentalist who does not want to litter hulls. But here's the deal breaker. And for a hunter, this is a fatal flaw: the automatic safety. Every single time you crack this gun open to reload, the safety resets itself to safe. Imagine this: a covey of quail flushes. You fire 2 shots, reload fast, snap the gun shut, swing on the straggler, pull the trigger, and nothing happens, because the lawyer-proof safety turned itself back on. It will cost you birds until you pay a gunsmith to disable it. The damage to your wallet is roughly $5,900.
This is the Italian masterpiece, the Fausti SLX. Now, listen to me. Most gun companies are run by suits who have never walked a field. But Fausti is run by 3 sisters who live and breathe this craft. And at SHOT Show 2026, they proved that the sub-gauge is the future. The mechanic insight here is the scaled frame architecture. Most manufacturers cheat. They take a 20-gauge frame, drill a smaller hole for a 28-gauge barrel, and call it a day. The result is a heavy, unbalanced brick. But Fausti mills a specific tiny frame for the 28-gauge. It weighs in at 5 pounds and 9 ounces. It balances right on the hinge pin. When you mount this, it feels like a natural extension of your own arm. Under the hood, it uses the 4-lock system. This is an evolution of the classic Anson and Dealey box lock. It locks the barrels at 4 distinct points, creating a bank vault seal that can handle high-pressure tungsten loads without shaking loose. But here's the deal breaker. Do not let the SLX name fool you. It looks like a side lock. It has the beautiful side plates of a side lock, but it is technically a box lock. You are paying for the canvas, not the engine. Those side plates are there to give the engraver more room to work, not to improve the trigger pull. And speaking of paying, the damage to your wallet starts at $5,000.
Here is the monster at number 1. The Fabarm Infinite RS. This is not just a shotgun. It is a declaration of war against the old guard. While the Italians and British are obsessed with tradition, Fabarm is obsessed with physics. The mechanic insight here is the tri-bore HP barrel system. Most barrels are just straight pipes drilled through steel, but Fabarm uses a hyperbolic profile. It starts with an overbore to reduce friction, then squeezes down a long conical taper to accelerate the shot, and finally hits the choke. This is not marketing fluff. It creates a dense, angry cloud of shot that hits harder at 40 yards than anything else on this list. And here is the genius move. They installed an 11mm raised aluminum rib. If you shoot over-under shotguns, you know that flat side-by-side ribs can mess with your eyes. But this rib gives you that familiar single sighting plane you already know. It aligns your eye instantly. Under the hood, it uses a massive 4-lug locking system. It locks up like a bank vault. You can run tens of thousands of rounds through this thing, and it will never shoot loose. But here is the deal breaker. And for some of you, it is a deal killer. This thing is a tank. The Infinite RS weighs in at 8 pounds and 4 ounces. If you're hiking 10 miles for grouse, leave this at home. It's designed for the duck blind or high-volume dove shooting, where the weight soaks up the recoil.
The damage to your wallet is roughly $6,175.
So there you have it, the 7 tools that prove the side-by-side is back from the dead. We're seeing a shift. The industry is moving away from cheap plastic and back to steel, walnut, and precision engineering. Whether you grab the budget-friendly Tristar or the elite Fabarm, you are buying a piece of history upgraded for the modern fight. Stop chasing the latest tactical fad. Get a gun that has a soul. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you downrange.